Mulani Operators & Welding Training School +277 315 82436. Mulani Training Center Training done in POLOKWANE Tel +277 315 82436. Mulani Training & Skills Development Center. We are fully registered. We train the following: construction and lifting machinery / boiler making & welding training. Short courses: first aid 2 days, health and safety, firefighting, scaffolding, reach truck roller 10 days. Welding practical courses. Reg duration total: arc stick welding 4 weeks, MIG Co2 welding 4 weeks, TIG Argon Welding 4 weeks, Oxy-Acetylene gas 4 weeks, welding cutting torch, arc welding, ARGONY welding, FLUX-CORE welding, double COREDED welding, gas welding, gas cutting, boiler making 5 to 8 weeks, pipe fitting, panel beating 3 months, using power tools 1 weeks, drilling, Mach grinding machine, bending machine 2 WeekComressor, spraying 2 week. Overhead crane 10 days training, dangerous goods HASCOM 4 days, drill rig 2 weeks. We offer free transport and accommodation. Tel +277 31 58 24 36. Boiler maker also available at R7000. Trained in mine. We offer job assistance after training. We offer free transport and accommodation. Tel +277 315 82436. Johannesburg. POLOKWANE head office branches: POLOKWANE, Lebovic, Gomo, Lefalal, Mokopane, Burgersfort, Pretoria & Johannesburg. Jane First. Mulani Training Center Training done in Johannesburg, Germiston. POLOKWANE Tel +27 70 315 82436. Boiler maker 4 weeks, R7000. Forklift 3-5 days training, TBL 1 week training, Bobcat 1 week training, front end loader 1 week training, excavator 1 week training, dump truck 1 week training, mobile crane 1 week training, grader 1 week training, bulldozer 1 week training, roller 10 days training, scoop tram LHD 10 days training, tower crane 1 week training. We offer free transport and accommodation. Tel +277 31 58 24 36. Boiler maker also available at R7000. Trained in mine. We offer job assistance after training. We offer free transport and accommodation. Tel +277 31 58 24 36. POLOKWANE head office branches: POLOKWANE, Lebovic, Gomo, Lefalal, Mokopane, Burgersfort, Pretoria & Johannesburg. Jane First. Zambia, Botswana, Mozambique, Swaziland, Johannesburg, Lefalal, Elisras, Makado, Louis Trichadrt, Medimel, Nilstrom, Mokopane, Musina, Faraberwa. POLOKWANE, Tzaneen, Pietersburg, Thahuindu, Valwater, Turfloop. Jane First. Lebovic, Gomo, Guiani, Bochum, Burgersfort. North Bishow, Burgerdorp, East London, Grahamstown, King William, Middelburg, Umtada, Butterworth, Port Elizabeth, Alberton, Benoni, Bucksburg, Bramfontein, Brackpen, Germiston, Kempton Park, Midrand, Renberg, Santon, Newcastle, Ladysmith, Peter Maritzburg, QWA, Mpangeni, Underberg, Ixopo, Durban, Vryheid, Bergville, Mtuba, Tongat, Margate, Port Shepstone, Bazana Howick, Dundee, Richards Bay, Coxted, Pongola, Margate, Pintown, Port Edward, Mtuba, Estcourt, Quadacusa, Stanger, Umtata, Barberton, Belfast, Ermello, Leidenburg, Millilham, Comate Port, Dullstroom, Graskop, Middelburg, Nelsprout, Origstad, Pite Retief, Standerton, Volksrust, Secunda. Brits, Groot Marico, Hartby Sport, Klexerp, Leichenberg, Mafeking, Mmabatho, Potchefstroom, Russenberg, Vriberg. We offer approved certificates and driving permits which gives you a prof to a beneficial job.